Hi guys, happy morning. Welcome back to our channel Mass Mitochondria. Myself Lavanya. In this series, we'll be discussing about 12th standard CBSE biology important questions including assertion ration based question, HARTS and MCQs, which is based on entrance examination, especially in NEET and of course your board examination, TGT, PGT, SET and NET. Today we'll be discussing about biotechnology question and answers. Without wasting our time, let's start. Question number 1. DNA fragments are option A negatively charged, option B neutral, option C either positively or negatively charged depending on their size. Option D positively charged. The right answer is negatively charged. Question number 2. A gene whose expression helps to identify transformed cell is known as option A plasmid, option B vector, option C structural gene, option D selectable marker. Some genes are called selectable markers helps in selecting those host cells which contain vectors that will transform or eliminating non-transformants. So the right answer is selectable marker. Question number 3. What is the criterion for DNA fragments movement on agarose gel during gel electrophoresis? Option A. Smaller the fragment size, the further it moves. Option B. Positively charged fragments move to further end. Option C. Negatively charged fragments do not move. Option D. The larger the fragment size, the further it moves on. The right answer? Did you guess the answers? During the gel electrophoresis, during separation of fragments based on different ionic properties. Since the DNA fragments are negatively charged, they are separated by allowing them move towards anode. Anode is positively charged. DNA fragments move towards anode according to their molecular size through the pores of the agarose gel. So the smaller fragments move further away as compared to larger fragment. Right answer is option A. Question number 4. Assertion. Restriction enzymes cut the strand of DNA to produce sticky ends. Reason. Stickiness of ends facilitate the action of the enzyme DNA polymerase. Option A. Both assertion and reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Option C. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Both assertion and reason are false. The sticky ends of fragments that will act with the help of ligase, not with the help of DNA polymerase. So the right option is option C. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Question number 5. Recombination DNA is achieved by cutting a piece of DNA from plasmid by, right answer is restriction endonuclease. Question number 6. A foreign DNA and plasmid cut by the same restriction endonuclease can be joined to form recombinant plasmid using option A. Echo R1, that is Escherichia coli restriction endonuclease. B. Taq polymerase and C. Polymerase 3 and option D is ligase. Ligase is a class of enzymes that catalyze the formation of covalent bond using energy released by the cleavage of ATP. Ligases are important in synthesis and repair of many biological molecules, including DNA ligase, and used in genetic engineering to insert foreign DNA into cloning vectors. The right answer is option D, ligase. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a feature of plasmid? Option A, transferable. Option B, single stranded. Option C, independent replication. Option D, circular structure. Plasmids are extrachromosomal self-replicating, usually circular double-stranded DNA molecules that serves as a vector which carry foreign DNA segment and replicate inside the host. So the right answer is, so that is not a feature of plasmid. Option B, single stranded. Question number 8. The cutting of DNA at specific locations become possible with the discovery of, the right answer is restriction enzymes. These restriction endonuclease enzyme inspect the length of a DNA sequence. Once it recognizes the specific sequence, it binds with the DNA and cut the end of 2 strands of double helix, where sugar phosphate backbone. And the special sequence in the DNA recognized by restriction endonuclease is called as palindrome nucleotide sequence. So right answer is restriction enzymes. Question number 9. Plasmid vector in DNA recombinant technology means option A, a virus that transfers gene to bacteria. Option B, extrachromosomal autonomously replicating circular DNA. Option C, sticky end of DNA. Option D, any fragment of DNA carrying a desirable gene. The right answer is extrachromosomal autonomously replicating circular DNA. Question number 10. Which organism is used to transfer tDNA? Option A, Streptomyces hygroscopicus. Option B, Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Option C, Salmonella typhi. Option D, Escherichia coli. The answer is option B, Agrobacterium tumefaciens. This TA plasmid, tumor inducing plasmid from the soil bacterium Agrobacterium tumefaciens, is effectively used as vector for gene transfer to the plant cells. The part of TA plasmid transfer into plant cell DNA, that we'll call it as tDNA. So right option is option B, Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Question number 11. The enzyme used to join the fragments of DNA during the process of replication. Option A, DNA polymerase. Option B, DNA ligase. Option C, endonuclease. Option D, helicase. Did you get the answer? Right answer is option B, DNA ligase. Question number 12. The Hin2 cuts DNA molecule at a specific point by recognizing a specific sequence of option A, 2 base pairs. Option B, 3 base pairs. Option C, 5 base pairs. Option D, 6 base pairs. Hin2 was the first to discover restriction endonuclease enzyme. It was been isolated from Haemophilus influenzae (RD). It cuts DNA molecules at a particular point by recognizing a specific sequence of 6 base pairs. So the right answer is 6 base pairs. Question number 13. Agarose extracted from the seaweeds is used in. Right answer is gel electrophoresis. Agarose is mostly commonly used in matrix in the gel electrophoresis. It is a polysaccharide extracted from seaweeds. The DNA fragments separate according to the size. Next question, question number 14. Which vector can clone only a small fragment of DNA? Option A, bacterial artificial chromosome. Option B, yeast artificial chromosome. Option C, plasmid. Option D, plasmid. Right answer is plasmid. Next question 15. DNA precipitation out of a mixture of biomolecules can be achieved by treatment with option A, chilled chloroform, option B, isopropanol, option C, chilled ethanol, option D, methanol at room temperature. The right answer is chilled ethanol. Thank you for watching this video. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and bye bye from Lavanya.